Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to create a histogram in Excel. It's a quick and easy way to visualize how data is distributed. Here we have a list of names and ages of people. First, select the age column. Now go to the Insert tab, click Insert Statistic Chart and then choose Histogram. And just like that, your histogram appears instantly. Now let's explore a few customization options. You can move the histogram by clicking and dragging it from an empty area of the chart. You can also resize it by dragging the corners. And of course, you can rename the chart title to anything you like, for example, age distribution. If you notice, each column or bar in the histogram represents an age range. Currently, the values are grouped equally with a bin width of about 19. Let's see how to change that. Right-click on the horizontal axis, then click Format Axis. On the right side, you'll see bin width. Change it from 19 to 10, and you'll see the histogram update automatically. Now let's add data labels to see the values clearly. Right-click on any of the bars, choose Add Data Labels, and Excel will show the exact numbers on each bar. Nice and easy to read. We can also customize the colors and styles. Click on the chart, go to the Chart Design tab, and under Change Colors, pick your favorite color theme. You can also try different quick styles from the same tab to give your chart a professional or fun look. And here's something cool. This histogram is dynamic, which means if you change any age value in your data, the histogram will update automatically. That's it. You've just created and customized a histogram in Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tutorials.